Is the USA turning the moon into its new empire? A secret plan that could change Earth's future or unleash chaos in space? Moon mining has kicked off in 2025, and what lies ahead is absolutely mind-blowing. Let's unravel this mystery with Scivibe Global today. It all begins with the treasure on the moon that's a game-changer for Earth. On the moon's surface, in its regolith, there are two things that could make the USA the king of the space race: helium-3 and water ice. What's helium-3? It's a rare isotope that can fuel fusion reactors. 1 ton of helium-3 can produce enough energy to power the entire USA for a year. And water ice? It can turn the moon into a rocket fuel factory, slashing Mars mission costs by up to 90%. The value of 1 ton of lunar water? Between $5 to $35 million. But it's not that simple. Moon mining needs technology, money, and guts, and the USA has all three. In 2025, a US startup, Interloon, is gearing up its helium-3 harvester for the Crescent Moon mission. This machine can process 100 metric tons of regolith per hour. Imagine, the helium-3 extracted in a single day could spark an energy revolution on Earth. But this is just the start. NASA's Artemis program is planning permanent bases on the moon, which could become a reality by 2030. But this treasure is so massive that the world's big players have their eyes on it too. Now the question is, how is the USA winning this race? First off, NASA's Artemis program. It's not just about sending astronauts to the moon, but building a mining infrastructure. Artemis 3, set to launch in 2026, will test equipment for water ice mining at the South Pole's Shackleton crater. And private companies, SpaceX, Intuitive Machines, and startups like Interloon are making the USA unstoppable. Interloon's harvester, which will be tested by the end of 2025, can extract 50 kilos of helium-3 in a single mission. That's enough energy to power a state like California for months. But it's not all smooth sailing. Mining on the moon requires robotic systems, advanced AI, and radiation-proof habitats. In Birmingham, USA, the Biosphere Project is testing underground lunar habitats to protect miners from cosmic radiation. And SpaceX's Starship? It'll be the backbone for bringing resources from the moon to Earth. But here's a big question. As the USA surges ahead, where does the rest of the world stand? Moon mining isn't just the USA's game. China's. Chang'e program and Europe's Moon Village concept are in the race too. China brought back helium-3 samples with Chang'e 6 in 2024 and is planning its own mining base by 2030. Europe's focus is on sustainable mining, but what's the USA's advantage? Money and speed. The US private sector, with giants like SpaceX and startups like Interloon, is pushing the pace of innovation. In 2025, the USA's space budget is around $26 billion, more than China and Europe's combined budgets. But this race isn't just about technology, it's about geopolitics too. The USA's space resource law says whoever extracts resources from the moon owns them. This law is stirring international tensions. Will the moon become a new Wild West, where big players grab their share? And here's a big twist. If helium-3 mining scales up, Earth's energy markets could crash. What will happen to oil and gas companies? This is a shock that could shake the global economy. Now let's talk about the risks. Moon mining poses threats to the lunar environment. Overmining could damage craters and scientific sites critical for future research. NASA scientists are warning that uncontrolled mining could destroy the moon's pristine environment. And there are ethical questions too. Will the moon become a playground for the rich? Or will it open a new chapter for humanity? But the future is bright too. If the USA executes its plan, we could see permanent mining colonies on the moon by 2035. Helium-3 fusion reactors could bring a clean energy revolution to Earth, and water ice mining could make space travel so cheap that Mars colonies become possible. But this will only happen if the USA stays ahead in this race. And this race is heating up, and Scivibe Global will keep bringing you every update. So friends, the USA's moon mining mission could change Earth's future or spark a new war in space. Is this humanity's new frontier or a cosmic disaster? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And if you want every update on this thrilling space game, subscribe to Scivibe Global now. Hit the bell icon because we'll keep bringing you mind-blowing stories like this. See you in space.